Hi, I'm Elance Girl, and I want to share with you some of the strategies, tips, and resources I've used over the past years to grow my business. One of the most important things you can do, regardless of the size of your business, is to outsource, and here's why. Recent statistics say that in the U.S. alone, we have the highest unemployment rate than in the last 26 years. So what does this mean to a seasoned business person or an individual just starting out? 3 important things: more competitive prices, a larger pool of talent from around the world, in fact the largest pool of talent at the best possible prices than we've seen in the last 2.5 decades, and third, it's a more efficient way to run your business. If you still aren't sure if outsourcing is for you, here's 3 questions to help you decide. Before posting this job or any job on an outsourcing site, ask yourself, will it save me money? In other words, can it be done less expensively than I can have it done in-house? Will it increase my productivity? In other words, will it free me up to do something that has the potential to make me more money? Last, will it allow me to create more freedom in my business? Will it allow me more personal time to pursue my other hobbies or interests? If you should decide that outsourcing is right for you, then Elance.com is your best bet. Elance is the online global leader in outsourcing. For more tips from the trenches on the new way to work, join me, Elance Girl, for more tips, strategies, and resources on how to grow your business with Elance.